Space, it's vast, mysterious, and full of wonders that never cease to amaze us. Among these wonders are stars, the cosmic engines that illuminate the universe. Fasten your seatbelts, fellow space explorers, as we embark on a cosmic quest to grasp the true magnitude of these celestial giants. Our first stop takes us to the constellation Scutum, home to a star that has earned its place in the Cosmic Hall of Fame, UY Scuti. This red hypergiant star is a pulsating variable star, meaning its brightness fluctuates over time. But what truly sets UY Scuti apart is its colossal size. Imagine our Sun, a sphere of burning plasma that could comfortably fit over 1 million Earths within it. Now magnify that image by a factor of almost 8 billion. If it were to replace our Sun, its outer layers would extend beyond the orbit of Jupiter. UY Scuti, despite its immense girth, is nearing the end of its stellar life. It has already exhausted the hydrogen fuel in its core and is on the verge of shedding its outer layers, creating a spectacular supernova explosion. Our next destination brings us face to face with another stellar heavyweight, VI Canis Majoris, a red hypergiant residing in the constellation Canis Major. This celestial behemoth, pulsing with fiery energy, once held the title of the largest known star. VI Canis Majoris is so large that if we were to shrink our Sun down to the size of a basketball, this behemoth would dwarf a skyscraper. Light itself, the fastest thing in the universe, would take over 8 hours to traverse its circumference. Its surface is a chaotic landscape of massive convective cells churning and spewing out stellar material into the surrounding space. VI Canis Majoris, in all its splendor and fury, plays a starring role in this grand cosmic ballet. Our cosmic journey now takes us to the familiar constellation of Orion, the Hunter, a celestial pattern easily recognizable in the night sky. Here, marking Orion's shoulder, resides Betelgeuse, a red supergiant star that has captured the imagination of skywatchers for centuries. Betelgeuse shines with a distinctive reddish hue, a telltale sign of its advanced age. If we were to replace our Sun with Betelgeuse, its outer layers would engulf the orbits of Mercury, Venus, Earth, and even Mars. Betelgeuse is also a semi-regular variable star, meaning its brightness changes over time, although not in a strictly predictable pattern. Astronomers predict that Betelgeuse is nearing the end of its life and is destined to explode as a supernova in the astronomically near future. Our next stop takes us deep into the constellation Scorpius, where we encounter Antares, a red supergiant star that burns with a fiery intensity. This celestial giant, marking the heart of the Scorpion, is a true beacon in the night sky, its reddish glow easily discernible to the naked eye. If it were to replace our Sun, its outer layers would extend beyond the orbit of Mars, engulfing the inner solar system in a sea of scorching plasma. Orbiting this stellar giant is a smaller, fainter companion star, Antares B. By studying the interactions between these two stars, astronomers have been able to determine the mass and age of Antares with remarkable accuracy. They've discovered that Antares is a relatively young star, only about 12 million years old, but it is evolving rapidly due to its massive size. Stars are often found in binary or multiple star systems, locked in a gravitational dance that shapes their evolution and destinies. Our cosmic voyage now brings us to the constellation Cepheus, where we encounter a star that shines with a deep, rich red hue. Mu Cephei, also known as Herschel's garnet star. This red supergiant, named after the astronomer William Herschel, who described its striking color, is a true gem of the night sky. Mu Cephei is a pulsating variable star, meaning its brightness changes over time as it expands and contracts. To grasp the true scale of Mu Cephei, imagine our Sun as a small marble. On this scale, Mu Cephei would be a giant hot air balloon, so large that it could easily engulf the orbit of Jupiter. Like many of the stars we've encountered on this journey, Mu Cephei is nearing the end of its life. It has already exhausted the hydrogen fuel in its core and is now fusing helium, a process that will eventually lead to its demise as a supernova. Prepare yourselves, fellow space enthusiasts, as we venture into the realm of the truly colossal. Our next stop takes us to the constellation Cepheus, where we encounter VV Cephei A, a red hypergiant star that pushes the boundaries of stellar size. Breathtaking is so immense that if it were to replace our Sun, its outer layers would extend beyond the orbit of Saturn, engulfing all the inner planets and a significant portion of the asteroid belt. It is part of a binary star system locked in a gravitational dance with a smaller, hotter companion star, VV Cephei b. Astronomers believe that VV Cephei a is losing mass at an astonishing rate, shedding its outer layers into space in the form of a powerful stellar wind. Stars are born, they evolve, they interact with their surroundings, and they eventually die, enriching the cosmos with the elements that make up everything we see and touch. Our celestial adventure now takes an intriguing turn as we set our sights on the constellation Monoceros, the unicorn. Here, nestled among the faint stars of this celestial creature, lies VI 838 Monocerotis, a star that has puzzled astronomers since its sudden outburst in 2002. In January of that year, V 838 Monocerotis, a previously dim and unremarkable star, underwent a dramatic transformation. It brightened suddenly, becoming 600,000 times more luminous than our Sun, making it briefly one of the brightest stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Unlike a typical supernova which fades away over time, VV 838 Monocerotis continued to brighten and fade erratically over several months, creating a celestial light show that captivated astronomers worldwide. The leading theory suggests that V 838 Monocerotis may have experienced a rare event known as a stellar merger, where two stars collided and merged into a single, more massive object. Our quest to explore the giants of the cosmos leads us next to the constellation Cepheus, where we encounter RW Cephei, a star shrouded in mystery and awe. This yellow hypergiant, a rare breed in the stellar menagerie, pulses with a brilliance that belies its enigmatic nature. RW Cephei is so large that, if it were to take the place of our Sun, its outer layers would stretch beyond the orbit of Jupiter, engulfing the inner solar system in a warm, luminous embrace. Its distance from Earth, estimated to be thousands of light-years away, makes it difficult to study in detail. What we do know is that RW Cephei is a variable star, its brightness fluctuating over time as it expands and contracts. The universe is vast and full of wonders yet to be fully understood. Our final destination takes us to the very edge of the observable universe, to the Large Magellanic Cloud, a satellite galaxy of our Milky Way. Here, in this distant realm, resides WOH G64, a red hypergiant star that pushes the boundaries of our cosmic perspective. WOH G64 is so far away that its light has taken over 160,000 years to reach us, offering a glimpse into the early universe. Despite its distance, this stellar behemoth shines with an extraordinary luminosity, thousands of times brighter than our Sun. Surrounding WOH G64 is a thick torus of gas and dust, thought to have been ejected from the star as it evolves. The universe, in its vastness and complexity, continues to amaze and inspire us, reminding us that there is still so much more to explore and discover. As we conclude our exploration of these celestial giants, let the awe-inspiring scale and power of these stars sink in. From UI Scuti's reign as the largest to the enigmatic V 838 Monocerotis, these stars remind us of the universe's boundless capacity for wonder. Each star, a fiery testament to the laws of physics, illuminates the vast cosmic ocean, reminding us of our place in the grand scheme of existence. Until next time, keep looking up. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and follow for more videos.